On the main page of the university, from the menu bar, select About the University, Information Units, and then Center of Information and Communication Technologies. Choose the section How To. On the right, we can find the instruction for the web browser we want to set up from the proxy, how to set up client access. From the How To menu, we have selected how to set up Google Chrome. Follow the steps that are listed in the tutorial. The equivalent of the tools in the Google Chrome are three vertical dots on the top right. Select Setting from the menu. A new setting window will open. In the left side, select System. System will offer several options. Choose Open your computer's proxy settings. The Network and Internet proxy dialog box appears. Under Automatic Proxy Setup, edit Use Proxy Setup script. Enable the Use script and in the script address window, copy the address from the step 7 in the How to Set Up Google Chrome tutorial. Save the settings. Saving is automatic without a confirmation message.